In May 2005, Drum magazine published an article titled, "Can Garlic Save Your Life?" In the article, Nozipho Bengu and Judge Edwin Cameron spoke about different ways of dealing with HIV/AIDS. Nozipho Bengu believed in what Drum magazine called the Manto diet, and Judge Cameron credited his good health to antiretroviral drugs.
Nozipho wagula walala esibhedlela eBoksburg, wayephethwe yi-TB ne-pneumonia. Isibindi sakhe savuvukala, nama liver enzymes akhe akhuphuka abaku-600. Uthina Fandemase wafika ngaleso sikhathi esibhedlela, wasinikeza into eyakhiwe ngelamula ne-olive oil namanzi.
I have been on antiretroviral medications for almost 9 years now. I've been on the same simple 2-tablet, 3-medication combination for more than 6 years. The virus is undetectable in my blood. I live a very full and healthy life. Once you have been assessed, once you are compliant, once you've been medically monitored to make sure that you're on the right combination, and we must emphasize this, we mustn't pretend that that's easy, but once you get to that point, AIDS is more easily manageable than many, many other dread conditions.
Logic would say, for people who know what they are talking about, that once you have a liver that is not functioning properly, you cannot be on any toxic drug.
Ha ke tsho hore di antiretroviral nga hlaka re moriane mona ha ona pidisi ka bo moriane e sena di side effects, le panado ya bolaya le aspirin la le di side effects. Me ho amakatsa hore e ka ba go fe moriane ono jolo ka letona la rona tsa bophelo bo botle le khothaletsa ha kana hore di antiretroviral di kotsi but ha dina kotsi jolo ka it's blown out of proportion as a matter of fact. Like bua ka mafu ke khola side effect embe o feta lefu hayi.
Uma thina sasingazi ukuthi uNozipho une problem yesibindi, ngabe samnikeza ama ARVs okwakuzomenza ashesha ashone kunalesikhathi ashona ngaso. Kodwa ngoba atest ama ARVs kwatholakala ukuthi uNozipho une problem ye liver, ama liver enzymes akhe ayanyuka uma ethatha ama ARVs, so wakwazi ukuwayekiswa, wakwazi ukusustain kwaze kwafika lesikhathi lesi afika kusona.
Our leaders are not telling us from the top, inclusively, in one voice, this is an epidemic that we do not need to fear. It's an epidemic that we can deal with through hope and through constructive action.
In 2003, bengigula ngiphethwe isifuba, ngikhohlela, then ngacela udoctor ukuthi angenze HIV test. Ama results wami aphuma a positive. Then uDr. Mohale, my doctor, ungiphuthe kuma ARVs ngayo 2003. And ngaqhubeka ngawaphuza ama ARVs sonke lesikhathi ngo 2005. NgoDisemba ngaqala ngagula, ngivomita kakhulu, then bang-admit esibhedlela, then they stopped me ukuthi ngiphuza ama ARVs because bekungama side effects of my ARVs.
Zanele unanale acidosis awetsana le lactic acid ephami 5.32. Ke ka hona re la ga bona ho le molemo hore re stoppe di antiretroviral kaofela tsona ho mo fa chance ya hore a recover. Jwalo ka ke tshulele motho ke motlwaetseng se ke sa mmone a sa tle o tla lata di bacteria tsa hae ke leng ka utlwella hore a o sa ile Pantown o ya lata moriano no bitswang Ubhejane.
Ngezwa ngobhejane e TV uMantu wamsimango a interview uBaba Gwala.
Kuqala ukuthola 2 liters abawu2. Lo onesivalo esimhlophe ubooster amasosha omzimba. Lo onesivalo esiblue ulwa negciwane noma ulwa nesifo sokunaso.
Bengishayela ama-truck i-long distance travel nje e-Afrika. Kwahamba-ke kuqhubeka-ke ngidrive ama-truck ilo ngiphupha kumthi ngamunye ngibhale phansi ngifike nasekhaya nginike unkosikazi wami ukuthi abhale ngibhala umuthi engingawazi ukuthi uyogcina kuwumuthi wani umkhulu wami wayenyanga ubaba kabakwami ungenawo iligama lomuthi lokuthi ubhejane waqanjwa abantu ababedla wona lomuthi bacha inkunzi uphondo lonye lo inamandla
azange ngisize ubhejane because i-CD4 count yami ayehli basithembisa ukuthi waphuza lesitikiselo simhlophe i-CD4 count yakhe izokhuphuka ifike ibo 1000 2000 but akwenzakalanga basithembisa ukuthi nevirus izophela after 4 months to 6 months uyiphuza ubhejane uzoyotesta uthola ukuthi undetectable but akusenjalo because mina sengiphuze more than 4 months ngo5 months but manje sengistopile ubhejane
ubonala utlwela nako ye uzanela qadile ngosebedisa ubhejane le ha jwale ha rena re checka CD4 count ya hae CD4 count ya hae ithewile ka di point tse ka bang 32 me ke le lena le mabaka leo yena le nka qeto hore o tla tlameha hore a tlohelle ho isebedisa alright lo hoja tsebo ya ka hona Ubhejane sebetsa jwang ha keletswa ka go hore ha hona scientific research e entsweng yeo nna ke tsebang e teng molemo kapo disadvantage kapo menyetla e bang e teng ho sebedisa Ubhejane.
As I understand mina Ubhejane i-African medicine ayinawo ama-lab i-African medicine ayinawo ama-university la izokwenziwa khona ngoba inyanga vele zikhona. I believe ukuthi 80% wabantu la eSouth Africa before baye ko-doctor baqale inyangeni.
Wangithethisa uDr Mohale athi ngiriska ngempilo yami because angazi ubhejwane ukuthi wenziwe ngani basitshela ngezihlahla ezi87 kodwa asizazi ukuthi izihlahla esinjani.
Ama-ARVs angikwazi ukuthi aqhamukaphi and ubhejane abantu bayawazi ukuthi uqhamuka kugwala banama-phone number kaGwala bafona direct ku-founder kaBhejane. Ama-ARVs asiwazi ukuthi aqhamukaphi angikhumbula ama-patient ami la ekwazi ukufona direct ku-manufacturer yama-ARVs abuze ukuthi a-complain ukuthi manje isibindi sami sesikhukhumele izinso zami sezibuhlungu whatever manje ngeke ngikwazi ukukhomenta kakhulu ngama-ARVs kodwa what I know ama-patient awuhlanganisa ubhejane nama-ARVs ngoba asikho study okwake kwamonithwa labantu bedla le combine ama-ARVs nobhejane.
If Zeblon Gwala is claiming that a particular substance is able to cure HIV or treat HIV, and that substance has not been registered by the MCC, which is the case with Ubhejane, then yes, he is violating the Medicines Act and committing, it's a criminal offence to make particular claims for products where there is no evidence that such claims can be supported.
Manje neimali zo clinical trial anginazo no neimali zokuya ku MRC enzo ucwaningo ku register wa medicine angenazo. Ugovernment ungiyekele kanti bengithembe ukuthi ugovernment uzongisiza.
Ka tshebo ya ka bane se di dilemo re treata batho ba ke sa lefu la HIV me ba boholong mmuso ba ba ikile letswalo leno ho batho ba le ka ho zama dintho tse ding tseo ba nahana hore di ka ba thusa jalo ka ena Ubhejane.